Hello, welcome students. As you know that we are discussing about the simple past tense and past continuous tense. Both the tenses together we are studying nowadays in English grammar, and today I have something to discuss, and it's about simple past tense, the structure. Dear students, the structure as you are watching now on your screen tells you the structure of simple past tense. Here when we use simple past tense in a positive form, that means affirmative sentence, the structure is like this: subject plus verb, second form, then object. Understood? That means if we can add any subject here: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Only we have to add verb second form. Understood? For example, I bought a car. Here I is the subject, bought is second form of buy, and a car is an object. Next, when we form a negative sentence, the structure we follow is subject plus did not plus verb first form. Let us understand: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. We will put only did not and then first form of the main verb. Okay. For example, I did not, or we can write didn't buy a car. So students, I think it is clear to you how to make negative sentence in simple past tense. Now let us understand how to make question in simple past tense. The structure is presenting now: did plus subject plus verb first form plus question mark. Okay, let us understand: did plus all the subjects are here: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. And then verb first form. For example, did you buy a car? Did you buy a car? We can say like this also: did he buy a car or did she buy a car? Then question mark. Okay, so like this we can make various sentences. The concept of simple past tense is explained by the help of the structure or a formula that we usually use. I hope it is clear to you. Now it's time to have some examples of past indefinite tense. Once we have gone through the structure or formula that we used in past simple tense, so here are some of the examples. Let us understand. Let's read the example so the concept is clear to you. He came to me yesterday. We took him to the hospital. I punished him. He came by the evening train. He came with my friend. It rained day before yesterday. Shivani did not sing a song yesterday. Our team did not play a match. I did not teach him English. Did you study daily in the summer vacations? So, students, by reading the example, it is clear to you that we always use verb second form in past indefinite tense or past simple tense. Dear students, now let's move on to the past continuous tense. Which structure do we follow in that tense to form the sentence? The structure is like this: subject plus was oblique were plus verb ing. Let's see. She was cooking all morning. When we make the negative, subject plus was oblique were plus not plus verb ing. For example, she was not sleeping when he came home. And when we make question, the helping verbs are put in front, was oblique were plus subject plus verb ing, then question mark. Was she sleeping when he came home? So this was the structure that we follow in making the sentences in past continuous tense. Dear students, let us understand the concept of past continuous tense by the given examples. Number 1, they were playing basketball after school. Number 2, he was eating food. Number 3, the rain was raining tonight. Number 4, she was not watching the movie. Number 5, we were going to the library. Number 6, he was doing a great job. Number 7, I was not writing a letter. Number 8, my television was not working properly. Number 9, we were celebrating a festival. Number 10, the teacher was teaching in a class. Number 11, the dog was barking a man. Number 12, they were not studying English these days. Number 13, Donna was buying a new iPhone. Number 14, she was not coming to the party. Number 15, my dad was going to London. Number 16, they were not speaking English today. Number 17, the sun was shining. 18, I was doing well. 19, he was not watching a movie for 2 months. Number 20, I was traveling by the train. By train. So students, here are the examples of past continuous tense. I hope it is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, any query regarding the concept, to regarding the lesson, you can ask in the Google Meet. Thank you.